What is economics? Economics have many definitions. One author says, economics is a social science concerned with the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. It studies how individuals, businesses, governments, and nations make choices about how to allocate resources. Other authors say that economics is a social science that studies how individuals, governments, firms and nations make choices on allocating scarce resources to satisfy their unlimited wants. In both definitions, we can see that there are basic elements involved in economics, and what are they? First we have individuals and firms, which is the focus of microeconomics. Then we have government and nations, which is the focus of macroeconomics. Second, scarce resources or limited resources such as land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Third, unlimited wants. By nature humans are unsatiable, which means we're never satisfied. We always want more, crave for more, desire for more. We always have unlimited needs and wants, and since the resources to satisfy our unlimited wants and needs are scarce or limited, that's where economics come into play. And finally, the fourth one is production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Here, the scarce or limited resources such as land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship are combined to produce goods and services to satisfy the unlimited needs and wants. Land and natural resources provide the needed raw materials. Labor transforms raw materials into goods and services. Capital, such as equipment, buildings, vehicles, cash, and so forth, are needed for the production process. Whereas, entrepreneurship provides the skill and creativity needed to bring the other resources together to produce a good or service to be sold to the marketplace. Taken from the given definition of economics, therefore, we can go further to state that economics is about the study of scarcity and choice. Economics finds ways of reconciling unlimited wants with limited resources. Economics explains the problems of living in communities in terms of the underlying resource costs and consumer benefits. Economics is about the coordination of activities which result from specialization. If you like this video and want to see more for your research, please support this channel by writing your comments and by clicking the like, share and subscription buttons below.